In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move CC messages to labels and avoid the inbox in Gmail. This is a great way to keep your inbox organized and focus on the most important emails. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to Gmail. Once you're there, look to the top right corner and you'll find a settings icon that looks like a gear. Click on it. This will open up a drop-down menu. From there, select See All Settings. This action will take you to a new page with various tabs across the top. You're going to want to head over to the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab. This tab is a powerful tool that allows you to customize how your incoming messages are sorted and handled. Now, click on Create a New Filter. A new window will pop up, and here you'll enter your filter criteria. Since we're focusing on CC messages, enter your email address in the CC field. You can leave the other fields blank, as we're not concerned with narrowing this down to specific subjects or senders right now. At the bottom right corner of this pop-up, click Create Filter. This will bring up another window where you can decide what happens to the emails that meet your criteria. In this next section, you have a variety of options. To organize these CC emails by moving them to a specific label, check Skip the Inbox and then Apply the label. You'll see an option to select a label. If you already have labels created, you can choose one from the list. If not, you can create a new label by selecting New Label. This is a handy way to categorize messages, making them accessible while keeping your inbox clutter-free. Once your label is selected or created, ensure other options are set according to your preference, such as marking the message as important or automatically labeling it as read. When you're satisfied with your selections, click Create Filter. This effectively tells Gmail to automatically reroute all incoming CC messages to the designated label, bypassing the main inbox entirely. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you can streamline your inbox and ensure that CC emails are directed to a label for easy management. This technique is invaluable if your inbox tends to pile up with messages not directly addressed to you, allowing you to focus on what's truly important without completely losing track of other communications. Feel free to tweak these settings as needed to suit your workflow better. Having filters like this in place can be a game changer for maintaining a clean and efficient email management system. Remember, Gmail's filter feature is a powerful tool to help keep you organized. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on optimizing your digital life.